Terminus Company is the Ukrainian enterprise that specializes in producing interior doors. More than 15 years of work and millions of manufactured units of output have shown that the right beginning is the guarantee of successful future. We are the largest manufacturer of vinyl door panels in Ukraine. Since its early days, our company has been working on the basis of innovation, quality, and environmental friendliness. We produce competitive product which is in demand in our country and abroad. It motivates and adds force for the confident development. We increase capacity, broaden and renovate our technological base, hire new employees and constantly own our own skills. Today, Terminus Company is a powerful full-cycle production fitted with modern equipment from Germany and Italy. We work using exceptionally modern technologies, high-quality materials, veneer sheets of valuable tree breeds, lacquers and paints of well-known manufacturers. We are confident in the final result because we control the quality of production at every stage of its manufacturing. Combining traditional values and modern possibilities, you can create something truly precious and important. That's why each of our collection is a particular story with its own character and soul. Terminus Company is a reliable, stable and time-tested support for partners. We provide complex support in opening the company store that includes advertising support, marketing events, and motivation programs. Terminus Company is a quality, comfort, and guarantee of the product, openness, transparency, and clarity in cooperation.